the bra cup. Having been done with that, to create this upper part of our cup, so just come over here, come over here and go up by 0.25, just like we came down by 0.25. Now go up by 0.25, mark it, and after that, here, can you see what I have here? This side exactly, you as well come down by 0.25, and you will connect it as you are seeing me doing. After that, you will as well do the same thing to the other side here. Can you see what I have? Connect it together as well. So guys, this side I'll just, from where we came up by 0.25, I'll connect a straight line towards our overbust line. So guys, having been done with that, come to your center front here and let's create the neckline for our cup. Can you see what I'm doing? I came down by 1 inch from my overbust, and from there I will just go in by 0.125. I'll just go in. Can you see what I'm doing? And I will connect it to this line here. I will connect it together. And after that, I will now use my ruler to connect it to my overbust as you are seeing me doing. So guys, having been done with that, the next thing you will do is to shape the edge of your overbust. We do not want it straight like that, so we want to shape it a little bit. So just come in by 0.25 and connect it as you are seeing me doing. So I want to like a little bit raise my overbust line. I'll raise it by 0.25. Just come up. If you like it the way it is, you can just leave it like that. For me, I would like to raise it up a little bit, and I will connect it to the center front like this. So here is my new overbust line. Here is our neckline. Can you see the one that I'm marking? That's our new overbust line, the neckline rather. Moreover, I'll go ahead and label it. That's one, two, and here is the third part. So, and I will as well label it, the side front air, the center front air, and the upper part. This is the side front, and here is our center front. Can you see what I'm doing? So that you will not misplace it when you are joining it together. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut it out. But before that, I'd like to mark it out for you so that you see the aspect, the part that I'll be cutting out. Can you see how I'm marking it? I'm doing this for you to understand so that you will not make any mistakes when you are doing yours. Can you see what I'm doing? Now just go ahead and cut it out now. And can you see how I'm gently cutting it out? Do not rush yourself, just calm yourself down and cut it the right way. When you do it the right way, when you follow the steps on the strategies that I use in cutting this, you see that at the end of the day, it will come out so nicely. You will not have any problem with that. Can you see what I'm doing? So I'm done cutting out this part. So I'll put it aside and cut the other side as well. And you shouldn't be confused because I already marked it out where I will be cutting it out. Can you see this there? I'm done cutting the second part too. So here is the third part. Can you see what I'm doing? I'll cut that small place out now, and I will just cut it out where I marked it. Can you see what I'm doing? You just have to put your eyes down because there's no you'll be looking at what I'm doing and you will not understand. And here we are done cutting it out. Can you see what it have? Can you see it how nice it's looking? So the next thing to do is to cut it out on our wedding. But before that, I just want to put some arrows so that when I'm joining them together, I will know the parts to join together. Can you see that arrow? Meaning I'll be joining that two parts together, and I'm about to label it up, up. That's the part that will be going up, And this third part here, I will also write up there. Can you see the powder is going up? Can you see what I'm doing? You just have to put your eyes down. I'm doing this because so that I will not make any mistake. Can you see what I have? It will be very easy for me to know the powder is going up and the powder is coming down where I will be joining it together. And the next thing is to cut it on our wording. And me, I'll be using a very hard wording. If you have a braille cup foam, you can as well use that. Or if you have the soft one, you can as well use it because you will still be caging your cup so that whether you use the soft one or the hard one, the caging will still bring it up. So for me, I'll be using the hard one because I have the hard one here with me. So I'll place it. I'll just pin it down with my pin. And don't be confused in this aspect because I'll be cutting out two pieces for each of them. Yeah, can you see that I fold my wording? So when I cut it out, it will be two pieces for each of them. And here I'm done pinning them down. So the next thing that I'll be doing is to be adding extra 0.25 allowance to the area where I will be joining them together.
So guys, this side will be joining it together to the upper part. So you have to add your extra allowance of 0.25. And as well this other side here will still be joining it together this part, so you still have to add your extra 0.25. As well do the same thing to this the other parts. Yeah, you see what I'm doing this side that I'm doing, there's no need of adding any swing allowance because you will not be joining it together at that side. So and then here you'll be adding your extra 0.25 and at the upper part as well.